Practical hands-on. So this is the most interesting part of this course. This is basically the practical hands-on part in which we'll be coding for smart contracts in Solidity language, and we'll be deploying smart contracts. We'll first create it by the language, by coding, and then we'll deploy it and we'll see the use cases and how it is used. Okay, so let's get our hands dirty and start coding. And before coding, we need to remember one thing, that we need to get you set up. So now we'll be getting you all set up for this thing by only two things. One is Metamask and one is Remix. And after that, we'll start the coding in a proper way. So this is how it works. Metamask. Metamask is a crypto wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps. So basically, we need a account to transact over blockchain and to do many more things. Anything in blockchain needs an account to do. Either it can be deployment of the smart contract or anything, or any normal transaction, it needs an account. And to keep the accounts, we have something known as Metamask, which is a crypto wallet to keep all our money inside it, or all our cryptocurrencies inside it basically. And it will have our private key inside it and only show the public key or the account number to the outside world. And to this account number, the outside world can pay us money. And it will have a private key by which we can sign our transactions and we can send it to other accounts. And this is basically a gateway to the blockchain applications. Second thing, Remix. Remix is a powerful open source tool that helps you write Solidity contracts straight from the browser. Written in JavaScript, Remix supports both usage in the browser and locally. So Remix also supports testing, debugging and deploying of smart contracts and much more. We'll get into all of these. We'll practice all of these in this course and we'll make you all ready. So now let's start into the Remix and Metamask and then coding. So this Metamask, I have told you is it is a wallet and all. So you can either download the app, or the best part you can do is you can put up an extension either on Google Chrome or Firefox. These two are the best for usage. So we'll start with the Firefox. I'll show you in the Firefox and also in the Chrome. So let's get it set up. So you just write Metamask, and then you can see there is a Google Chrome extension out here. There might be Firefox extension, it's over here. It will take some time to load. Okay, it's here. You can see this fox face. This is the Metamask, and you add it to the Firefox. Okay, it will take some permissions and all, but it will get added. You can see this small fox face out here. This is the Metamask extension, and it's added to your Chrome. You can click on it. Okay, it says allow the usage and all. Okay, got it. Just click on it. Okay, we are now directly into Metamask main page. Okay, then go on get started. Then you don't have a wallet right now, so you need to create a wallet. Just go and create a wallet. You will have all these terms and conditions. Just say I agree. And you need a password for your account. So just go for any password you like and set up it. Then you will have a secret backup phrase. This secret backup phrase is for your private key. So it has about 2048 English words, out of which there are combinations made of 12 words. So these are the 12 words. You should never forget this, because this is the only point by which you can revert back your account or recover your account if your password is lost or something happens to your account. So never lose this. Or you can do one thing, you can just have a screenshot of it and keep it. So here I will take a screenshot of this and I'll keep it. Okay. Then you have to confirm your secret backup phrase, which we have already clicked a screenshot of. So now just put in order, what the order is and how the words are there. And then confirm. So it's all done. You can see this screen out here. This is the MetaMask. You are in the main Ethereum network right now. So in this, anything you do will cost you money, or you can say it as Ether. So we won't be using this page much often. We'll be using this small icon out here, or the extension. It will be very helpful. Next, you are in the main Ethereum network. You can change to any network you want. These three, Robston, Coven and Goerli and Rinkeby. These four are the test networks available where you can go and test your blockchain applications and do some transactions and all. This is only for development and testing. And the main Ethereum network is what is needed for the deployment of the contract for real life applications. Then we have a localhost 8545, which is directly connected to your computer's RPC ports and all. I'll tell you all about it, but later. These two are left for later. Right now we are on the main Ethereum network. Okay. So now what you can do, you can switch to the Robston test network. Okay. We are shifted to this Robston test network. Now what we want? We want some ethers. So now you just click on deposit and then you will have this test faucet. Just click on get ether. This will open a new tab out here. It's taking a bit of time, I know. Yeah, so this is, and then you just request one ether from faucet. So here is the notification which is coming. So it will get connected. Yes, you should connect it. So now this is the user address. This balance is right now 00 ether just because it hasn't been transferred totally. Once the transaction gets confirmed and into the block, then only this transfer will happen. Here is the transaction hash. Now you can go over here, this place, and then you see you have no transactions right out here. It will take some time, but it will come. See, it's over here. You can see this, and this you can directly go to the etherscan.io, which actually scans and gives us a total report of what is there in the block and what is there for the transaction and all. So right now it hasn't been, okay, this has been included in the block. We can see that. Just go for it one more time. Yeah, now it's over here. So this is in the Robston test network. The status is successful. This transaction is successful. This is the transaction hash. This is the block in which the transaction has gone. This is the from, and this is the two addresses. This two addresses basically yours. And then the value is 1 ether. And this is the transaction fee or the gas points, which I've told you in my previous videos. This is the gas limit of the block. This is the gas used by transaction and much more. You can go on checking all these stuff. This is basically the Etherscan, which gives us the statistics of this blockchain. Now we are all ready to go. You can ask for more ethers also. It's not a problem. You can ask from here. Okay. So now you can see we have 1 ether. So this is all the setup of MetaMask done. Now directly head on to the Remix.